How to turn off Facebook video autoplay in Facebook mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Whenever you open the Facebook app, if the videos on your feed are automatically playing and draining all your data, there is a simple solution to it. All you have to do is follow some simple steps. You can use these steps in iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. All you have to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and find the option of Settings and Privacy. Once you expand it, tap on the Settings option. Here, scroll down and get to the Preferences section. Tap on the option of Media from here. Here, you will find different sections as well. On the Autoplay section, you have three options: on mobile data and Wi-Fi, which is currently selected, on Wi-Fi only and never autoplay videos. If you do not want videos on your newsfeed to automatically play, select the option of never autoplay videos. Now, if you head back, scroll down and you will find that the videos do not autoplay unless you tap on the play icon. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.